Are you a building or district leader who's wondering how to keep teachers in the profession? Let me give you one simple systems idea that could work. Think back to when you first came into the building as a teacher. You're so excited. And didn't you have this feeling that automatically somebody was just going to come in and tell you, hey, welcome, we're so glad you're here, and here's what you should actually be doing with kids? And that person, for most of us, never came. Most of your teachers enter the field, they get the classroom keys, and they're decorating, they're getting ready, but nobody explicitly tells them what and how to do things with students. So that's where you come in. If you can provide a system that works great for most teachers is a one pager. Give them a one pager that's hyperlinked that shows them the standards and the resources and what they're supposed to teach every quarter. Even better if you have a version of a proficiency scale. So teachers have extreme clarity about what to do as soon as they enter the doors. They get all of these books and all of these things, but if you can give them a one pager that really shows them that, you will be making a difference in the profession. If that seems overwhelming to you and you think, yeah, I'd like to do that, but I don't really know where to start, please check the comments. We're going to put a link of what we use with teachers that's really helpful. We are here for the good fight of trying to keep them in the profession. Please help us with that. Check out the one pager below and get some information about how you can do the same so we can start keeping teachers in education. Thanks.